SSAMH English.
Doesn't the sun rise in the east?
Yes, it does.
Don't you like coffee?
No, I don't.
Doesn't he play football?
Yes, he does.
Doesn't she study at this school?
Yes, she does.
Don't they live in Lahore?
No, they don't.
Doesn't your brother drive a car?
Yes, he does.
Doesn't it rain in winter?
Yes, it does.
Don't birds fly in the sky?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't she like ice cream?
No, she doesn't.
Don't we meet every Sunday?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't the teacher explain well?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't he wake up early?
No, he doesn't.
Don't you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Doesn't she wear glasses?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't your father work in an office?
Yes, he does.
Don't they visit their grandmother?
No, they don't.
Doesn't he play the piano?
Yes, he does.
Don't we go to school daily?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't she cook well?
Yes, she does.
Don't dogs bark at strangers?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't he read books?
No, he doesn't.
Don't you watch TV at night?
Yes, I do.
Doesn't the train arrive at 8 a.m.?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't your sister dance?
No, she doesn't.
Don't they play cricket?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't she write poems?
Yes, she does.
Don't you eat vegetables?
No, I don't.
Doesn't he teach English?
Yes, he does.
Doesn't your mother bake cakes?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't the baby cry at night?
Yes, he does.
Don't we need water to live?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't she wear a red dress?
No, she doesn't.
Doesn't the clock show the right time?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't the dog sleep in the house?
No, it doesn't.
Don't I look good today?
Yes, you do.
Don't they sell fresh fruits?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't the sun set in the west?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't your friend sing well?
No, he doesn't.
Don't we practice English daily?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't the baby smile a lot?
Yes, he does.
Don't teachers give homework?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't your father drink tea?
Yes, he does.
Doesn't the shop open at 9 a.m.?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't the gardener water the plants?
Yes, he does.
Don't you go to the gym?
No, I don't.
Doesn't she love cats?
Yes, she does.
Don't we celebrate birthdays?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't she paint beautiful pictures?
Yes, she does.
Don't birds build nests?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't he tell funny jokes?
No, he doesn't.
Doesn't your uncle live in Karachi?
Yes, he does.
Doesn't this pen write smoothly?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't she wear a blue jacket?
No, she doesn't.
Don't we love our country?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't the cat drink milk?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't the clock tick loudly?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't he buy fresh bread?
No, he doesn't.
Doesn't she listen to music?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't the river flow fast?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't he drive carefully?
Yes, he does.
Don't we go to the market?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't the teacher give tests?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't he love football?
No, he doesn't.
Don't they travel a lot?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't she buy fresh vegetables?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't the bird sing sweetly?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't he exercise daily?
No, he doesn't.
Don't we enjoy reading books?
Yes, we do.
Doesn't she bring lunch to school?
Yes, she does.
Don't cars need fuel?
Yes, they do.
Doesn't the bus stop here?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't he drink coffee?
No, he doesn't.
Don't you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, I do.
Doesn't she have a pet dog?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't it snow in winter?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't your brother like cricket?
No, he doesn't.
Doesn't she wear a watch?
Yes, she does.
Doesn't he call you often?
No, he doesn't.
Doesn't the train run on time?
Yes, it does.
Doesn't she help her mother?
Yes, she does.